Hello, fellow crafters. It's Jen, and guess what I have for you today? Cricut has just come out with a new feature to curve your text directly in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to show you how you can curve it, how you can make it wavy, and how you can even make yourself something like one of these. Alright, so let's get rid of all of that. And let's start with how you get to the curving text. So over here, just like normal, you're going to click on text and pick your font. And I'm just going to pick, let's go over here. Sorry, I just had one a minute ago. I can't remember which one it was. This one. And I'm going to type curving text. So here's my text. Now you'll notice while I'm highlighted on the text, right here you can see a new feature called curve. So you just click on that, and then you can just adjust up or down which direction you want it to curve, all the way to a full circle. You can do an arch, you can just do a slight bend, you can go up if this is going to be on the bottom of something. So that's all there is to it. You can type the text and then you curve it. Now make sure before you go to curve it, you cannot ungroup it or weld it or anything like that, because then it's not text anymore. So it has to be right after you type it, before you do anything else to it, because once you change it to an image, it's not text and you can't curve the text. So again, there you go. That's the basic how you curve the text. But let's say you want to get fancy and you don't want to just curve it, you want to make it wavy. Okay, so again, we're going to go to our text and just type the first part of the phrase or the word, even if it's just one word. So let's just do the word curving. And let's say I want the C and the U. Okay, I'm going to add the R. Well, you know what? Let's change that. Let's do C-U-R. And on this one, V-I-N. And then G space text. So then get these, and what you want to do is you want to apply the same curve but in alternating directions. So starting with this part, I'm going to curve it, and let's just say to 3. Nope, that's not. Let's do maybe there. So 6, 9, 8, 1. So then this one needs to be at -6, 9, 8, 1. And then this one, 6, 9, 8, 1. And then you can just arrange these like this. And there you have your wavy text going down and back up and then down. And you can do that with as long of a phrase. I think whenever I first started here, I had curving text in Cricut Design Space. The whole thing was wavy. So that's all you've got to do for that part, to make waves. But let's say that you have a font that has icons instead of letters. So I have this font that I love. And it's one of my fonts, that's why. A Mastery and then Extras. And then in there I'm going to push the number 2, and that's going to give me these butterflies. So I've got my butterflies here, and let's say I want to put that around a monogram or something, so I want to curve it into a circle. And there it is. Now I can put my monogram in the middle or something like that, and I've got these really pretty butterflies going around it. Or I have this other one that I really like also. I'll show you on that one. Butter Sky. And on this one, I'm going to use the W. And then again, it's still text. I'm going to curve it into a circle. And now you've created yourself a pattern that can go around another design. So anyway, I hope that you're as excited as I know a lot of people are out there to be able to curve your text directly in Cricut Design Space, not having to use any outside apps or programs, and then also being able to create something pretty cool like this with any of your fonts that are ornamental or symbolic instead of letters. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and go ahead and get back to crafting. Love to see what you guys create with it. Thanks, guys.